ये है हीरो डेस्टिनी 125। 2018 से ये आपको और अपने कस्टमर्स को दे रही है एक्स्ट्रा फीचर्स, एक्स्ट्रा पावर, एक्स्ट्रा माइलेज। ये मैं नहीं कहता, ये कहती है हीरो मोटोकॉर्प। तो हम इस स्कूटर को चलाएंगे फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज इन वेरियस राइडिंग कंडीशंस टू सी कि जो हीरो मोटोकॉर्प कहती है क्या वो सच है नहीं। वेल, इससे पहले कि वीडियो को एंड करें, जल्दी से मिलते हैं माय पार्टनर्स इन क्राइम हु
Hero has been known for creating great products, so I'm sure this will not fail to impress. Looking forward to ride this for the next 2-3 days and explore Delhi on this. I think this will be a lot of fun. Destiny has made us meet and this should be fun, so looking forward to it.
दिल धीरे धीरे धड़के आज होने को है आगाज, सफर पर चलने का बढ़ने का इतना है हौसला, मिटना फासला, मंजिल ने मिल ही जाना है। ओ ख्वाबों से आगे जाना है।
अपनी डेस्टिनी थी कि 2 से 3 दिन स्कूटर राइड करेंगे, घूमेंगे, एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे what is different about this scooter. But my destiny was a little different. Hi everyone, so we got the Hero Destiny. The 125 Platinum Edition is what we got to test, and while everybody else did their bit, I kept the scooter. I wanted to ride it a little more extensively and try it out, but then the lockdown happened, and the lockdown is still there, but essential services come into the category, and we thankfully work for essential services, so that is there. So I thought, why not take it for a spin today? And with me I have my sister, my eldest sister Neeru Didi. Neeru Didi, say hi. Hi karo camera mein. Hi. So me and Neeru Didi are going to go for a spin on this. Let's see how it goes. I think it's going to be a special ride. मज़ा आएगा, बहुत मज़ा आएगा, right?
दिल धीरे धीरे धड़के आज फिर होने को है आगाज, सफर पर चलने का बढ़ने का इतना है हौसला, जितना भी फासला, मंजिल ने मिल ही जाना है। ओ ख्वाबों से आगे जाना है, हम ही से तो उम्मीदें हैं, हम ही से तो दिलासा है, हम ही पे है निगाहें भी, हम ही पे भरोसा है। हम में है हीरो, हम में है हीरो।
So this was a great idea to take out the Hero Destiny with Neeru Didi, and all of you must be wondering why I did that. बहुत simple सा फंडा है यार. The name Hero Destiny, right? If I'm just connecting the dots, Neeru Didi is the hero in my story, and she has changed my destiny, and it's just all the abundance, all the privilege that I have. So you know, when my dad came to Delhi back in 1960, around 1960 or something, he came here, he started a small business, tried to settle his siblings, got married, had the first kid, and the first kid was Neeru Didi, a person with challenges. She suffers from a syndrome called the Crusoe syndrome. It is something that happens to, I think, 1 in 1,000 people or 1 in 1 lakh people, something like that. It's very rare. For what I understand, it is a very rare condition, and she has the blessing. She is a case of Curzon syndrome, or as the layman would call it, monster face. That is, it's weird how we so-called normal people, we label other people. So yeah, monster face, that's my sister. But what this monster face has done is it's changed our lives. So when Neeru Didi happened, there were absolutely no special schools, nothing in the city in Delhi. We used to stay in East Delhi, and while we stayed in East Delhi, the only special school, the only school for people with challenges, kids with challenges, was in South Delhi. So my dad took the hard decision. He left the business that he had started, he left everything, and he came here, took up a government flat. Thanks to the job he took up, he joined an organization, a government organization, and he joined as a very junior clerk. And after that, he appeared for, after matriculation, he appeared for his UPSC exam. He was the first person in India to clear the UPSC with just a matriculation, just 10th pass. And with that, life started changing for us. We came to South Delhi, all of us went to great schools. We all became a lot more aware. Neeru Didi became a blessing, and the reason Bikers for Good exists, the reason there's no disability, everything that I'm doing for that matter, I don't think it would have been possible had we not had this blessing and had Neeru Didi not been challenged, because my dad wouldn't have challenged himself or changed his circumstances to suit the kid. So being the first kid of the family and I'm the youngest, I realize how much of a privilege I have in this life. So hence Neeru Didi is the hero in my story, who has completely changed my destiny. And if there is one way to thank her, to make her feel special, it is, small gestures like these. Take her for a ride, treat her, let her buy things she wants, and that's about it. She doesn't need too much. And no matter how much I do, no matter how much my other siblings do, I don't think we can ever repay her for all that she's done for us. And I'm glad that hero destiny happened. I'm glad that I had the idea of taking my hero on a spin, and I'm loving it. Once in a while, it's okay to let your bikes relax. When a beautiful machine like this lets you do beautiful things, I think it's totally fine. It doesn't matter about the machine anymore. It's what you're doing with it, and what I'm doing with it today is something I haven't done with any of my bikes earlier, and that's a blessing. That's a blessing that is priceless. It's very difficult to put in words. I'm just going to live this moment, and I'm glad that I'm saving it forever and sharing it with all of you. I can still hear Neeru Didi singing all the way. मजा आ रहा है आपको? जोर से गा रहे हो? Where is she? Oh, there she is. मुझे गाना सुनाई दे रहा है आपका? But overall, talking about the Hero Destiny 125, it's a superb hander, very flickable. You can just take it on a longer rides, and it's going to give you great average. So it's going to give you a great average because of this I3S button over here. You leave the scooter for 10 seconds, it switches itself off. Just brake, accelerate, it switches itself on. You don't need to use the starter here, right? And the mileage, yes, with the sturdy build that this thing has, और हीरो का भरोसा है यार, with that this is going to last you forever. That's a good mileage. No, it is going to last you very long, many years, serve you like a good companion, a good partner. You can take it for a evening swing. You can, oops, I just forgot I was over speeding. I think I was at 80 and there's a camera a little ahead of here. That's another part of it. You don't realize when you're going fast on this thing. And the thing that happens then is that there is हमारे प्यारे politicians and their sevaks looking at us through those CCTV cameras, and hence slowing down is no, I'm not going to let you take my money. You guys take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll be sharing a lot more content, and let us know if you have any questions regarding the Hero Destiny 125. If there's any specific machine you want us to cover, we'll be more than happy to do that. If there's any cause you want us to support, let us know. If it's worthy enough, we'll do all we can. And if there's anything that you want to share with us, just search for Bikers for Good and you'll find us. Cheers. See you. Bye.